Good morning. My name is Jobert J. Cinco Maya from College of Engineering, first year Block 1B. Today, we discuss about trigonometric functions. So, what is trigonometric functions? Trigonometric functions are special math to functions that relates angle and triangle and to the length of its sides. So, let's try to solve. Find tan of 45 degrees. So, first, hanapin po natin dito yung ano po ba yung ng tangent, derivative niya. So, tangent is yung tan equals to sine over cosine. So, ayan po. So, yung value ng sine and cosine is 2/2, same sa cos. Okay. After po niyan, yan po yung value nila. So, magiging tan 45 then ang sine is 2/2 sa cos. Okay. So, divide both sides po natin. So, magiging 1. So, sine square root of 2/2 divided by cosine square root of 2/2 equals to 1. So, yung value, yung sagot po natin, na pwede yung sagot ng angle ng tan 45 degrees is tan 45 degrees equals to 1. So, yan po ang ating sagot. So, huwag po natin kalimutan yung sa trigonometric identities is 45 degrees. So, sa trigonometric ko pala, ang identities niya po, like yung tan, para makuha mo yung tan, so magiging sine times mo sa cosine equals to tangent. So, kaya pag yung ginanap nito yung tan, so ang magiging ano niya po ay yung sine over cosine. So, yun po. Peace out.
Boy, para save mo.
Apo yun, sir.